Hi guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know me, my name is Carrie and we have a special guest. Her name is Madeline.
Hi.
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we love you and thank you so much for your support.
Here's another style in our Christmas series leading up to Christmas Eve for you to try.
So let's get started. I went ahead and put her hair in a ponytail. Anything I mention in this video of any products, I'll leave a link in the description box below. What you're going to need is a bun maker and some bobby pins. You're going to take this bun maker, put it over the ponytail, and go right through it. Now you're going to take this ponytail, put your head forward. You're going to evenly distribute the hair around the bun. Make sure you smooth these out. You're going to place a hair tie around her bun maker. The next step is divide the hair in the middle, on top of her hair, divide it in the middle and bring them back. Split it down the middle. And I'm going to rope twist this. Do the same thing on the other side. Your goal is to twist this all the way around the bun and pin it up. Then you're going to take this and do it the opposite way. Once you completed this, you're going to get a yard and a half of red and white ribbon. I'm going to start with the white one first. And you're going to use bobby pins. So you're going to take the bobby pin, put it through, and just stick it right in the middle of this bun maker. You're going to take again the bobby pin and just pin it right here. What your goal is to try to go all around by going down, then back up, then down with bobby pins, okay? Stick it right through the bun maker. Make sure you leave a space between the white so that you can put the red in between the white. So I'm going to cut this right off, right here. Now I'm going to start with the red. Take the bobby pin, put it through, stick it right in the bun maker. You want to take the red and cover the space. I'm going to cut this piece right off and try to hide a little bit of bobby pins that are showing. Okay, so you're going to need ribbon that has a wire on the edges here so that you can move it around. I'm going to go and take one side, wrap it around. I'll tie this in a knot. You're going to take these ends and then just curl them in and fold them. And fold them again. And one more time, just to make that kind of a wrapping paper look at the end. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial. We hope you find value in it. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Check out more of their tutorials over there and over there.
Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
bye guys!